Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renu and you're watching Speak and Thrive. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about how you guys can learn English alone at home. This is something that I used and worked amazingly for me. So I thought to give you some amazing tips so that you can learn English alone at your home if you do not have anyone. So if you are watching me first time, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe this channel for amazing videos in the future. And if you find this video helpful, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Now let's start the video. So the most important thing for you if you are English learner and you want to improve your English alone at your home is to believe in yourself. It is really important because if you are individual and you are learning English, there are so many chances that you might get distracted or demotivated if you do not get any result. So make sure you have enough belief in yourself and you are consistent with English learning process. So first, if you have phone, make sure you have enough internet connection and you are connecting with the right niche person, with the right person who is also learning language, so that you both can help each other. Now there's a question: where to find, what to use, what to download, which application is suitable? So in my channel, on this channel, I have shared so many videos sharing some amazing AI application by which you can practice English every day for free. You do not have to pay anything. So if you want to watch, you can check out my channel. I have shared so many amazing videos. Now, after talking about speaking part, you must complete speaking part every day. You must practice your speaking skills every single day. Minimum 30 minutes every day, right? So once you complete your speaking part, move to the next thing, and that is listening. You must consciously listen some podcast, some music, or some interviews, so that you can develop your English. You can use some advanced vocabulary. You can speak correct English. Now, correct English means the correct pronunciation of words, the natural English you can use, the correct sentence structure, and that's you can all observe in interviews, and if you watch some videos, listen to some people, right? So if you do not understand anything in interview, any word or sentence, whatever, you make sure to speak that out loud and to search about it and use in your own language. Okay, now let's move to the next point. That is the crucial point that I always recommend. That is, at the end of the day, you must write all the tasks, all the things, small or big task goals that you have planned for your journey of learning English, that what you are doing, what you have achieved, what you do, and what you have done in this day. You must write every single day because writing is really important. I know that every person, like most of the people, they underestimate the power of writing. Writing is the powerful thing. You must include writing in your English language journey. It is really important and you will see amazing changes and improvement in your English learning journey. So these are some crucial points, and the most important that I have already mentioned initially, that is believing in yourself. To be ready to convince yourself to be consistent if you are learning English. So again, I'm emphasizing, and I hope that you will remember that and you will implement that. So if you find this video helpful, guys, if you find my recommendation informative and helpful, make sure to let me know in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's meet you in the next amazing videos.